Every day is a blessing. Count your blessings, not your problems. Success is the sum of several smart efforts repeated often day in and day out. There is nothing that comes for free in this world. Everything requires hard work. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. New day, new start. Today is a brand new day with fresh possibilities. Let's grab them and make the most of it. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Not. If you are not ready for the risk, then be prepared for a normal life. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come.